In this lesson, we will upload the received data to a Kaggle platform. When for our data, we will create a new Jupyter notebook, which will replace our Microsoft IDE. Go to the Kaggle page. To upload the data, we need to register on the platform. We sign in. It was quick. Here, on the left panel, select the Data tab. Then click on the button Add New Dataset. Select our file on the computer. Give it a name and save it on the platform. So what we called work with data on the platform, we need to create a new Jupyter notebook. The new Jupyter notebook has already uploaded our code data. The Jupyter notebook is an incredibly powerful tool for interactively developing and presenting data science projects. Jupyter Notebook is an online IDE, different from a classic IDE by a large number of libraries already installed, and can bind it in visualization and work with the code. You can read more about Jupyter Notebook in the article at the link attached to this lesson. And in the new data frame, we write the data from our CSV file that we saved on the platform. Using the head function, we can see the first 5 lines, what we have in the data frame. Using the drop function, we will override our data frame and write the same data frame into it, but with the removed column unnamed. Now, from our contract sum column, using the replace function, we replace all empty values with a value none, not a number. Empty line. We will do the same for the preliminaries column. Let's look at our data frame. Print it. Now remove with commas separating thousands from the contract sum columns. And translate the columns contract sum and preliminaries into numerical values using the standard function to numeric. Print it. Our rows in the construct sum and preliminaries counts were transformed from text strings to numbers. Now, using the standard Fiona function, replace the empty values in the counts with the average values. Here, the mean attribute calls the average over this count. Add a comment. Now let's move on to data visualization. Now we can visualize our data a bit. For this we need two libraries, Matplotlib and Seaborn. Matplotlib is a comprehensive library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python, where Seaborn boxplot is very basic plot. Boxplots are used to visualize distributions. What's very useful when you want to compare data between two groups. You can read more about these libraries in the articles attached to this lesson. Import the Seaborn library. And using the pairplot function, where our data frame is the argument, we can find the correlation between the numerical values. Plot pairwise relationships in a dataset, where pairplot function creates a grid of axes such that each variable in data will be shared in the y-axis across a single row and in the x-axis across a single column. We will talk more about these patterns in the third part of our course. And now we will create a new chat, TreeMaps. For this we need the square file library. TreeMaps display hierarchical data as a set of nested rectangles. Using color schemes, it is possible to represent several dimensions, groups, subgroups, etc. To start, we import the matplotlib library. Now here set the size for our rectangle. Dimensions will be taken from values in the construct sum column. Additionally, the names for each rectangle will be taken from the preliminaries column. The style for the chart is ggplot. Figure size, chart size, let it be 20 by 20. We print the plot using the plot function. Arguments are taken from the values that we determined earlier. In the end, don't forget to comment on this piece of code.